Yo, what's up? This is Jab. Hey, I just wanted to show you a little bit about Create. Create is a mod that uses like gears like medieval fashion. It uses like wind power, water power. You can make like water paddles, stuff like that, and or not water paddles, water wheels. Jab, come on, get it together, man. Anyways, it uses kinetic force to the power machines like mixers and stampers and all kinds of crazy stuff. You can make conveyor belts and all kinds of crazy things. Anyways, what this is doing is ramping up the kinetic force. This I don't know what to call it. Turn dial thingy is powering everything. You go from big to small always, and you just keep on doing that. You could You could go off this way, but I don't think it would have the same effect. My cat's running over me. It's kind of distracting me. My bad. So, from big to small, you stack it up like this, and just keep on repeating that process. It just keeps getting faster and faster. Now, I did this way because I'm gonna have machines on both sides of the wall here. By the way, this is Cave Factory. This is start off at a little, well, not so little cave, but you have yourself a spawner. That's pretty much it. Now these guys, I was remodeling my down there section. I want the zombies to fall down here. Yeah, I'll just show you. There. That throws the piston, and the zombies start falling down here. Now, it keeps it off the blood altar, so I can see what I'm doing. So if I look up the stink and grab my dagger of sacrifice, I can go whack, 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 whack. And all is peachy in the world. Actually, you know what? I want to go down one more, I think. Because I want the zombies to fall down at least 3 blocks. This is 2 blocks here. Otherwise, they're getting caught on their comrades' heads and they don't fall down all the way. So I might as well do that right now. Take this floor down one more. Da 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 da. Breaking blocks like a G, like a G. Yeah, I'm OG. What do you know about me? I always leave the middle because you got to have something to put the thing on, and then you put the speed runes down below it, and everything processes a little bit faster with these runes. I'm not gonna show you how to make these runes because every mod pack is different, and they all have different recipes. But to look up a recipe, you hit E and type in the name, like I would say, blood altar. In this case, there's any kind of stone, a furnace, and 3 gold ingots for this mod pack will make the blood altar. Now, it might be the same in other mod packs, that's cool, but in this one, this is how it is. Anyways, I want these zombies to fall down one more, so I'm gonna kill these off. They'll suffocate in the block there. The way I designed this so I can turn it off when I need to work on it. They all died at once. Alright, and another stair right there. Actually, that'll work. I want some. I need them. Oh wait, I got lots of glass. I got lots of glass. Incidentally, this is my smeltery. I like making it see-through so I can see into it and see what's going on. This is the alchemy table from Blood Magic. You can make all kinds of cool stuff in there. These are my friends. This is my only friends. I have no friends. Okay, I lied. I have friends. Anyways, this is where I'm gonna. The reason why I'm doing all this gear apparatus is because I'm gearing up for gearing up. Get it? That was unintentional. Don't hate me. I'm gearing up for automatic. I'm gonna have like a cobble gen right here. I'm gonna have a thing that's breaking it and dropping it onto a conveyor belt. And the conveyor belt's gonna take it a little ways and then go through the process of doubling the ores and all that. It'll go through like a grinder and all kinds of fun stuff. Anyways, that's pretty much all I wanted to show you. Um, this part right here. This is how you ramp up your speed. Big and small off the side. Another big, small, big, small, big. That's pretty much it. All right. Catch you later, guys.